Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating article from Wired. Fans are better than tech at organizing information online. It's all about Archive of Our Own, AO3, and its revolutionary tagging system. Amazing!
I've heard whispers about AO3, but I didn't realize the scale. 5 million fanworks? That's huge! What makes their system so special?
Exactly. It's not just the sheer volume, but how they handle it. Most sites use either a completely open, laissez-faire tagging system or a rigid, top-down one. Both have major flaws. Think about it. Laissez-faire leads to tag explosion. A million synonyms for the same thing. Rigid systems are inflexible and quickly become outdated.
Yeah, I see that. Trying to search for something specific on social media is often a nightmare. So, what's AO3's secret weapon?
Human tag wranglers. They're volunteers who review new tags and link synonyms. It's a blend of open and controlled tagging. Users can tag freely, but the wranglers ensure consistency behind the scenes. Brilliant, right?
That's incredibly clever. It leverages human understanding of context and nuance, something AI struggles with. But, how many wranglers are we talking about?
Hundreds. Around 350 in 2019, and they're actively wrangling millions of tags annually. They're even recruited based on their fandom knowledge, so they understand the context. It's a beautiful system.
I see. So it's not just about efficiency, it's about community involvement. But couldn't AI eventually replace them? I mean, AI is supposed to be so good at pattern recognition.
That's where the article gets really interesting. The wranglers are skeptical. They point to examples where human understanding of context is crucial. Like one example was a character from a podcast who didn't have an official name for several episodes. Fans were writing fanfic and tagging it using nicknames before the official name even existed. Only a human could handle that.
Wow, that's a great point. AI would be completely lost in that situation. It highlights the limitations of current AI in understanding nuanced language and cultural contexts. So AO3's success is a testament to the power of human collaboration and community-driven solutions?
Precisely. It's a powerful counterpoint to the often exploitative nature of AI systems that rely on hidden human labor. AO3's volunteers are genuinely invested in the community, unlike those exploited in the name of AI. It's inspiring.
It really is. It shows that sometimes the best solutions aren't about throwing more tech at a problem, but about leveraging human ingenuity and community spirit. A truly remarkable story.
Absolutely. And it's a model that other platforms, from professional databases to social media, could learn from. It's a reminder that human connection and understanding are still invaluable, even in the age of AI. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of fan-powered organization. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.